Hey yo, what is up guys, this is the fake unboxing and we're going to unbox this Samsung flip phone. And you can see that if the seal is broken then do not accept it, and blah blah blah. And the seal is already broken and you can see that it has a flip phone. There you go. Scratches on the front and there it is, yeah, kind of, you know, working. Yeah, still it's a working phone. And here we have its battery, and you can see there it's kind of thick and we're going to explode anyway. And that's it, this is the fake unboxing.